This video is going to talk about how to use the resources available to Community Youth Employment Program partners. There is a web page, illinoisworknet.com/CYEP partners. It takes you to this page that you are looking at, and you can access a number of items from this page. You can access your partner tools right here by clicking this link once you are logged into your Illinois WorkNet account. Additionally, we have a list of all of the resources that are available for you and instructions. We have a link that will take you to recent training materials and videos. We have a link that goes to frequently asked questions, along with any updates that have taken place on the system. It will show you how to do different activities on the system, along with guides for customers as well as your use as a partner, and different documents that you need to help you through the process. We currently have one playlist, and we'll be adding our how-to videos to another playlist on the tool itself. You can find other tools and partner guides by clicking on the menu and looking at the menu pieces, and you can access your Illinois WorkNet dashboard by clicking on the My Dashboard and the link. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.